Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you the 3 most popular ways to fund your Questrade account, including Visa Debit Deposit, Preauthorized Deposits, and online bill payments. To get started, go to questrade.com and log into your account. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. From the summary page, select Move Money from the top toolbar. Then click Deposit at the top of the page. The fastest and most popular method of funding your account is through Visa Debit Deposit. Perfect for investors on the go, Debit Deposit lets you fund your account immediately. This allows you to start trading right away, without having to wait for your request to be processed. The transaction is available through your Canadian Visa or Interac debit card, with a deposit limit up to $10,000 per day, or up to your bank account's daily transaction limit. For deposits above your daily maximum, you'll need to contact your bank for authorization. Additionally, instant deposit applies to Canadian dollar deposits only. For this, you'll need the information from your card on hand. Now, choose Visa Debit at the top of the page. To start off, select the Questrade account you want to transfer funds into. If you haven't already done so, you'll next need to link a card to your account. Select Add Visa Debit Card, then find and select your bank, using the search tool if need be. Once you've found it, you'll need to input the info from your Visa Debit in order to add the card. Once your card is in order, choose the amount you wish to deposit. Please ensure that you have enough funds in your account before confirming. When you're finished, click Next. You'll then be shown a pop-up to review your order. When you're ready to finalize the deposit, hit Confirm. If everything went through correctly, you'll get a confirmation pop-up. As the next popular method of funding your account, let's look at online bill payments. To fund your account using online bill payments, you'll need to log into your bank account through your bank or credit union's app or website. Make sure that the name listed on your bank account is the same as the one featured on your Questrade account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Bill Payments section, and from here, choose to add Questrade as a new payee. Depending on your financial institution, Questrade can be listed as Questrade Incorporated, Questrade Online Brokerage, or Questrade. Then, enter the account number on the account you would like to transfer to, select the amount you would like to transfer, and submit the payment. From here, most funds will be deposited within 1 to 2 business days. Finally, let's look at one last deposit method. Pre-authorized deposits are another popular way to fund your account. They're a great way to make regular deposits so you can pay yourself first and start building wealth. Underneath Visa Debit back on Deposit Options, select Pre-authorized Deposit. Again, select the Questrade account you want to transfer funds into. Next, click Add a Bank Account. A new window will pop up asking for your consent to link to your bank account. Click Agree. Now, find your bank from the list below and enter your login credentials. Once your bank has been added, you'll need to agree to the Pre-authorized Deposit agreement below. Once all of that is in order, choose the amount you would like to deposit. Unlike with Visa Debit, in addition to making one-time deposits, you'll also be able to set up pre-authorized payments to be deposited at regular intervals. You can have cash automatically deposited every week, 2 weeks, or month. Whether you're making a one-time deposit or setting up a regular deposit schedule, you'll need to choose a date for the first transaction. This must be a minimum of 3 business days away from the current date in order for the transaction to be processed in time. Though for deposits over $10,000, this may take longer. You can also optionally set a date to end these regular deposits. Once this is selected, click Next and then confirm the order. That covers the 3 most popular methods of funding your account. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.